could be making money while you sleep, and it's actually much easier than you think. Did you know investing into dividend stocks is the easiest method out there, and it is the most passive way to create a 100% passive income stream that you could definitely count on for years to come. All you need is one single magical dividend stock called SCHD, also known as the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. You see, SCHD is an ETF compounded 104 dividend paying stocks. Did you know that this stock holds 104 stocks that pay out dividends? By investing into SCHD stock, you will get rewarded every 3 months with passive dividends just for holding the stock. SCHD has been recently gaining attention from investors for its diversification, which leads to a much reliable and stable investment. Unlike other dividend stocks on the stock market, your investment and hard-earned money will be safe. One of the many advantages you will get to receive with SCHD stock is that you will not have to rely and depend on one single company, which can be risky because let's say you invest into a company that's heading bankrupt. The company stock will likely drop significantly in value, making you lose money on your investment. Since SCHD is an ETF which holds 104 companies, you don't have to worry about one company losing your money, because the others will make up for it, making investing into SCHD a much safe and wise investment. For those who don't know the meaning behind a stock dividend, let me explain it. A dividend is a form of payment you will get to receive from a public company for simply holding their stock, and the money used to pay you comes from the company's earnings and the profits that are left over after their expenses. It's basically a small reward you will get to receive for buying and holding their stock. One thing you should definitely know and understand is that not all stocks pay out a dividend. Investing into dividend stocks is great because you get to enjoy the best of both worlds. The company will slide you some money for holding their stock, and on top of that, you will also get the capital appreciation of the stock once the stock skyrockets upwards. So it's basically a win-win and a no-brainer if you ask me. So at the recording of this video, SCHD is selling at $75.16 a share. It is up 45.32% in the last 5 years. This means if you bought this stock 5 years ago, you would be up 45.32%, and this is not including the dividends that is paid out every 3 months to its shareholders. Imagine investing into this company 5 years ago. You would have definitely came out on top and with some more money, and of course 100% completely passive. SCHD has a dividend yield of 3.46% during the recording of this video. This dividend yield is sent out every 3 months. SCHD paid its shareholders $2.60 per share last year. Shareholders also enjoy the capital appreciation of the stock, which also came from holding the stock. If there's something you need to learn after watching this video, is that you will get rewarded for buying and holding SCHD stock in your stock portfolio. All the work you simply have to do is buy SCHD stock and hold it for years to come. You will hang on to it while it's pumping out those nice dividend gains. This video isn't sponsored and your boy is still not monetized, so please drop a like and subscribe for more investing content. I will even drop my referral links down below if you're interested in investing. That way you and I will get rewarded with free stocks just by signing up and investing into stocks. So if you like free money, what are you waiting for? Anyways, having your money work for you is the ultimate goal everyone should have. It is honestly satisfying watching your hard-earned money generating even more money throughout dividend stocks. This is why investing into dividend stocks is my go-to whenever I want to make some passive money, which will allow you to make money while you sleep. And what better dividend stock to invest in than SCHD ETF? SCHD is an ETF stock, so that means SCHD holds 104 dividend paying stocks. So by investing into SCHD stock, you will literally be investing into 104 dividend stocks. You will automatically be diversifying your money into multiple sectors and industries. A great thing you receive by investing into a dividend stock like SCHD is that you don't have to rely on a single stock to perform good. Investing into a single stock puts your investment into danger, because if that company is not performing good or is heading bankrupt, the company's stock will likely drop significant in value. So by investing into SCHD stock, you don't need to worry if one of those 104 stocks they hold is in the red, as the others will make up for it. SCHD ETF is also managed by professionals. This is great because if one company is heading downwards, they will simply get replaced by another dividend paying stock, making your investment hands-free while being safe and protected from you losing money in the long run, getting rid of all the headaches that comes when analyzing and managing a stock. I also believe it's worth mentioning that the stocks and sectors SCHD is involved in. SCHD holds well-known companies like the UPS, the Home Depot, Coca-Cola, and so much more. I will even show you guys a screenshot up on my screen of the top 10 holdings from the 104 stocks they are involved in. When it comes to sectors, SCHD top 5 sectors are industrials, weighing in at 18.13%, healthcare at 15.60%, financials at 14.54%, and consumer staples at 13.14%, and informative technology, weighing in at 12.50%. They also hold 5 other sectors that I will also share with you guys up in my screen. So yeah, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHD, pretty much covers everything, if not literally every single important sector. Another great thing about SCHD stock is that this stock is suitable for every investing style, whether you're in it for the long run or you want to hold this stock for a few years just to collect those awesome dividends. This is also the perfect stock for any beginners or for people who may not have enough time to study the charts and do stock analysis, because like I said previously, this ETF is managed by professionals who already do all this work for you. My plans with SCHD is to simply dollar cost average into this stock on a consistent and regular basis. And for those who don't know the meaning behind dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA, according to Google, it means dollar cost averaging is a strategy to manage price risk when you're buying stocks, exchange traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Instead of purchasing shares at a single price point, with dollar cost averaging, you buy smaller amounts at a regular basis, regardless of the price. I will DCA into SCHD stock and hold it for decades to come. Meanwhile, I'll be collecting my dividends and reinvesting them until I have enough bread to retire. It's never too late to start investing into the stock market. The more time you wait, the more money you'll be losing out on. Make sure you use my referral links down below when signing up. And with this out the way, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content when it comes to investing. It's been your boy Kendrick, and I'm out. Peace.